Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to get the Enchant Stone in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game and I'm going to show you my Enchant Stones. As you can see, I got 2 Enchant Stones and we can use it to enchant our rod. Okay, and basically guys, if you want to get the Enchant Stones, you just need to do fishing and you can find it on a lot of places in the game. Wait, let me show you. Okay, you can find it here on the Fisherman Island. Okay, and the ocean as well, and the Kahana from the Kahana Island, and the coral reefs, and the Estheric Depth, and Tropical Grove. And yeah, you can find it there. But I will show you guys 2 places that you can visit to increase your possibility to get the enchant stone. Okay, the first place is going to be the Estheric Depth. You can go there using your boat. And I'm going to use my jet ski. Okay, I'm on the way to the Estheric Depth. Okay guys, I have already arrived at the Estheric Depth, and this is one of the best places that you can visit to get the Enchant Stone. You can also enchant your rod here. Okay, and yeah, here you just need to do fishing. You can do auto fishing, and I hope that you can get more enchant stones here. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys the next location. The next location is going to be the Tropical Grove. I'm going to go there. Okay, I have arrived at the Tropical Grove and I'm going to show you the spot that you can visit to get more enchant stones. So you can go up guys using the stairs and just follow these stairs. And you will arrive here. And you can fish in this area. Okay, for your information, I got my first enchant stone from here. Okay guys, and that's all the tips from me. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.